In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the ad blocker detected issue in Google Chrome. If you've ever encountered a website that prevents you from accessing content because it detects an ad blocker, you're probably familiar with the frustration that comes with it. Websites rely on ads for revenue, and ad blockers can disrupt this process. But sometimes you might not even be aware that an ad blocker is causing the issue, or you might want to access a website temporarily with ads enabled. So let's go through some straightforward steps to help you resolve this problem. First, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the window. You should see a three-dot menu icon there, which serves as your hub for various Chrome options. Give that icon a click to open up a drop-down menu filled with different settings and options. Now, scroll through that menu until you find the Extensions option. Under Extensions, there's a sub-option called Manage Extensions. Click on that. This will lead you to a page displaying all the extensions you currently have installed on your Chrome browser. Extensions can enhance your browsing experience significantly, but they can also sometimes interfere with certain websites. Once you're on the Manage Extensions page, you should see a list of all your installed extensions. Look through this list to find your ad blocker. Ad blockers usually have distinct names or icons, so they should be easy to spot. If you're unsure which one might be the ad blocker, don't worry. We can try another method later. After finding the ad blocker extension, you'll notice there's a little switch next to it, likely colored blue if the extension is active. Click on this switch to toggle it off. Turning off the ad blocker should allow you to access content on sites that previously prompted the ad blocker detected message. This is because disabling the ad blocker will let the website load the ads as intended, removing any restrictions they might have imposed. If you're still having trouble, or if you couldn't locate the specific ad blocker, you might consider temporarily turning off all your extensions. You could do this one by one and check the website each time to identify the extension causing the issue. While this requires more effort, it's a surefire way to pinpoint any interfering extensions. And there you have it. You should now be able to access the website without running into an ad blocker detected message. Remember, while ad-free browsing is nice, consider supporting websites you value by allowing ads now and then. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your browsing experience. Thanks for watching.